Almost half of Americans are missing one vitamin that controls mood, energy, and even bones. It's vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Stay with me, I'll show you why it matters and how to get it safely. Vitamin D is essential. It strengthens your bones, boosts your mood, and supports your immune system. But here's the problem. Most people don't get enough vitamin D from their daily routine. The best natural source of vitamin D is sunlight. Just a few minutes a day can make a difference. But here's the issue. Many people spend most of their time indoors per streets, missing out on that natural vitamin D boost. You can also get vitamin D from certain foods, like salmon, eggs, and fortified milk. If sunlight and food aren't enough, your doctor might recommend a vitamin D supplement. Vitamin D doesn't just support bones, it helps your immune system and may even boost your mood. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to fatigue and low mood trope. Keeping your levels up can help you feel energized.
Vitamin D also plays a key role in your immune system. It helps your body fight infections more effectively.
To keep your vitamin D levels healthy, spend a few minutes in sunlight daily and eat foods rich in this vital nutrient.
Too much vitamin D can be harmful. Always follow your doctor's instructions when taking supplements.
A few minutes of sunlight each day is usually enough to keep your vitamin D levels in check, but individual needs vary. The best approach: combine sunlight, vitamin D-rich foods, and supplements if needed, always under your doctor's guidance. Remember, small daily habits, a bit of sun, healthy food, and proper supplements can make a big difference for your health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more health tips from me, Dr. Meow.